Welcome to my other channel. So I just arrived to Font Romeo. It's a ski resort and I'm gonna finish changing the incandescent plug in my diesel heater. I'm just doing this video as a follow-up as my previous video. There's nothing new to this. There's thousands of videos of how to change this spark plug. So I'm just doing it for the ones that do follow the channel and are wondering if it worked or not. So previously I thought that the fuel pump was not working, but I think it is working because it was, if you watch that previous video, when I take out the spark plug you can see diesel coming out of the unit, so that tells me that the pump is working. So I'm gonna just try changing the incandescent plug and it should work. Since I now know what's wrong, what's not, how to take it apart, and also the kit that I bought came with the right tool, so I don't have to be improvising with other tools. The only concern I have is that the new spark plug has a different connector that I did not realize when I bought it, that it had a different connector. If the connection of the new spark plug is not compatible with this unit, what I'll do is I'll just cut the cables of the old one and put it in place of the new one. I also just changed the rear brakes. I had drums and now I have discs, and I can tell right away that the camper drives much better. I feel much safer braking. Here I have the kit I bought. As you can see, I have the tool, screens, the new plug. And new gaskets. If I take it apart, I can open it see, yeah, the connector is different. Okay. See, the connection is way different, so I gotta modify that. So here on this one I have yellow going on the side and blue on the center. So white is my center and brown. Yep. Let's take it apart. The only bad thing is that I didn't thought about the difference in the plug, and I did not bring the tools to do the change the right way, because I know I can take these cables out of the plug, but this plug is different. It is sealed, so I cannot take it out. I have to cut it. Okay, I'm gonna go inside to do this inside because out here is a bit cold, and then I'll come back. Okay, so luckily I had these quick connectors in the camper, so it was very easy to change the original connector to the new unit. Otherwise it would have been a lot more difficult. Okay, I almost forgot to change the screen. I'm gonna put a new screen. There's supposed to be a small hole inside here that allows for the screen to breathe or something like that, but nope. Okay, this tool, I guess is to put the screen on, but not good to take it out. Let's see if I can take it out the same way I did before. Okay, the old screen does not look that bad. But since I already opened this thing, I will put a new one anyway. But last time we cleaned it, I burned it and I cleaned it and... Okay, so let's put the new screen in using the tool they provide, so we don't break it. Is this the new one or the old one? I'm not sure. Where did I put the old one? Okay, yeah, the old one's in here. Yeah. Okay, let's insert it. Okay, it's all the way in. And now let's put the new plug, remove the cap, and carefully insert it. I first turn it manually, so I'm sure that it's not cross-thread. I don't cross-thread the thread. Now let's not too tight, we don't want to break it. Now let's put the cap all the way in. Let's seat it properly. Now we're talking, and now also the cables of the new plug are much thicker than the old one, so hopefully it's better quality. Okay, it's plugged. I'm gonna close it because it should work, and if it does not work, it means the pump is wrong. Okay, but this will... Okay, it should not interfere there or there. And tomorrow I will tighten everything. I'm a bit cold. That noise you hear in the background are the cat tracks, the plowing machines, however you call them. God, I've been doing this my whole life and I don't know the names. I'm really bad with names. Piston Bully, but Piston Bully is a brand. Okay, that's it. So hopefully this works. Let's go inside and try. What? It's still giving me error 03. I don't know if you can see or not. What? I don't hear the pump working. It should go tack, 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 tack. But yeah, I can see the voltage dropping, so that means it's taking current from the battery bank. It should be heating up the incandescent spark plug. And this time before, it would have already thrown the error, and it has not shown it yet, so I guess it's at least trying to ignite. Yep, success. That's the pump sign, and I can hear it. I can hear the tack, tack. So it's fixed, because before it did not do that. So it was the spark plug, the incandescent plug. Yeah, I can already smell the diesel fumes coming out of here. I guess that is because it was flooded. I'm not sure. Tomorrow we'll take care of it. Good thing it's working now, so I can have a warm night. Okay guys, so as you can see, it was successful. I ran out of battery. As you can see, the diesel heater is working now. At least it's not throwing the 03 error code. So, and I can see that the pump is working. So, but there's lots of fumes coming out of the. You cannot see it, but yeah, maybe you can see it. See those fumes? But I guess it was because it was flooded from all the tries before. So I'm gonna open the doors a bit so we don't breathe this, but yeah, it's already blowing hotter. So see you tomorrow morning.